Hello and welcome to Art Root India. Today we are going to learn how to make homemade gesso paste and how to use it on the canvas. So for making gesso, we will take white acrylic paint and this is 1/4 cup. In quantity you can say this is 30 ml and we will add it to the bowl. There are many brands available in the market. You can choose any of them. Now we are taking Fevicol in the equal quantity, that is 30 ml, as we have taken the acrylic paint. Now I am going to use talcum powder. You can use chalk powder also, but I prefer using talcum powder as it is easily available, plus it gives a very smooth finish. And I am taking it 1 tablespoon. So now mix it well with the help of a spatula and ensure that there should not be any lump left in this mixture. So we have to make a very smooth paste out of this. Now add some water in this. If you will go for ready-made gesso, then you will see there is a difference in the consistency of gesso in different brands. So it's totally up to you how much water do you want to add in this, but it should not be very thin and very runny. Our gesso is ready. Now I'll show you how to use it on the canvas. This canvas is homemade and there is a video available on this topic. You can access the link of video in the description box. Application of gesso is very simple. It's just like the way we paint on the canvas. And you can use brush or sponge, piece of sponge or any old ATM card, anything you want and you are comfortable with. We just have to spread evenly the paste and make a uniform layer and very thin layer of gesso over the canvas. While doing this, let's talk about gesso. What is gesso? Gesso is basically a primer for the canvas. It prepares, or you can say primes, the surface for painting and make the surface slightly shiny and ready to accept the paint. Applying gesso on the canvas is always a good idea, because gesso provides a very smooth finish, a little shine, and also without gesso the paint would be absorbed by the canvas. For acrylic painting, the gesso can be made in different colors as per the requirement of the painting, and for that we just have to mix desired color, desired acrylic paint instead of white acrylic color. And the best thing about gesso is that it can be used on any surface, be it metal, be it wood, be it canvas, and it always enhances the beauty of your artwork. So here I am applying the gesso on the canvas with the help of sponge, and I will let it dry, and then again I will put one more layer of gesso and again I will put it for drying. You can make gesso in excess quantity and store it in airtight container for further use. So our canvas is ready for the next project. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.